In this video, I'll show you how to use Surfshark VPN on Netflix to access different libraries from around the world. Before we start, this video is for educational purposes only. Always make sure you're following your country's laws and Netflix's terms of service when using a VPN. Surfshark is one of the most popular VPNs for streaming because it lets you change your virtual location and unlock Netflix content from other countries. For example, if a show or movie isn't available in your country but exists in another region's Netflix library, Surfshark makes it easy to access it. To get started, head over to the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price. Once you've signed up, download and install the Surfshark app on your device. It works on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even smart TVs. After installing, open the app and log in using the account details you just created. Now, let's say you want to watch a show that's only available in the United Kingdom. Inside the Surfshark app, scroll through the list of countries and select the UK. Once you connect, Surfshark will route your traffic through a secure UK server, making Netflix think you're browsing from there. Next, open your Netflix app or visit Netflix in your browser and refresh the page. You'll now see the UK Netflix library, which has content available to users in that region. You can use the same method to access other countries. For example, choose Japan to watch anime titles that have extra seasons not available elsewhere, or the US for exclusive Hollywood movies. If you ever want to switch back to your original Netflix region, simply open the Surfshark app, disconnect from the VPN, and refresh your Netflix page. You'll be back to your normal library. Surfshark also includes features like Clean Web for blocking ads and trackers, Kill Switch for connection safety, and unlimited device connections, so you can stream securely on all your devices at once. That's how you can easily use Surfshark VPN to watch Netflix from any country and unlock a wider range of shows and movies. Check the link in the description to try Surfshark at a great price and start streaming globally today.